Hey guys, what's up? Now today I'm back with another video, and today we're gonna be playing some Flight Escape 2. And in Flight Escape 2, I'm in my friend's VIP server. We're gonna be doing a challenge. You're gonna see how many rounds of Flight Escape 2 can I survive. Alright, before this video starts, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications so you never miss a video. With that being said, let's start. Alright, so we're gonna be starting off easy. Then if it's gonna be easy, we're gonna go to normal. We're gonna try to do some shortcuts. Okay, so we got the easiest one we can get, which is toxic or whatever. I could always beat this. Hey, let's go ahead and just press this button over here. That opens up that door. And there's a button right there. Okay, so that's good. Okay, there goes that button. Oh crap! No. Are you kidding me? Oh no, it's acid. That was acid. I didn't mean to jump into that. Y'all was stuck on easy. Okay. Let me hurry up. Okay, we're gonna press that button. Okay. I know a little shortcut right here. Okay, it's a little shortcut right here. You jump up here, jump up there. Then right here, you just do this. Oh, okay. And I failed at it. Crap. Okay, let's try this again. Damn, man. Okay. So it's a little easy little shortcut. You don't have to actually do all that. See, if you would have did that, oh crap, it's about to turn acid. No, get this and all that. Did I even press the button? I don't know. Oh, I didn't even press the button. Oh no, this is not good. No, I didn't press the button. I gotta go back down there, press this button. No, we're just gonna die. Okay, next round. We haven't even passed easy yet in the VIP server. We can do this. Okay, let's grab this button. We choose that little trick to save us some time. And jump up here. The door's about to close on us. I don't want that happening. Okay, let's do that. Jump up here, grab this button. The door's closing. Okay, let's grab this button up here. Guys, let me know in the comments, should I do the no button challenge? Should I do like the no button challenge? Let me know down in the comments if should I do that for a Flight Escape 2 video. Because that would be really amazing for it. Okay, at least we passed easy now. At least we finally passed easy. Now we're going to normal. Okay, this is pretty easy to do. Okay. Actually, I'm not even gonna do it. I'm just gonna dive in the water. Go back up here. Okay, go over here. Grab that button. Here. Okay. I'll be very careful. Oh crap, it's already acid. No, 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 no. Okay. Okay. That button. Okay, guys, we're going to hard now. We're going to hard. We beat normal. We're going to hard now. We're doing pretty good so far. Okay, we got hard now. This is going to be the easy hearts. It's going to walk to insane. It's going to go to insane. I don't even know. Oh. Okay, I don't know. I don't understand. What? How are we supposed to get that button? Oh. No. Okay, I keep falling off. Okay. Oh no, this ain't good. It's already acid that fast? We died. Couldn't even beat hard. That cave system. Oh. Let's go down here. Oh no, it's acid. No, I didn't know. Oh, I'm a noob at this. I forgot that I was recording when I first started the round. I was not recording. I forgot the video was still on pause. Might actually. Oh, okay. I spoke too soon. No. Why did I keep? Oh, now the border's actually closing on. No, what? Oh. One more round, I guess. This part fills up with water pretty easy. Pretty fast, not pretty easy. I mean fast, not easy. It's just this little shortcut again. Oh, okay, there we go. To click that button and not drown in the water. Oh, okay. Get up here. What? Oh no. Oof. Oops. Dude, should I lock to insane? I'm not even gonna. No, I'm not even gonna lock into insane. Cause I know I'm gonna fail at it, and I'm just gonna be wasting my gems. Cause I only have 15. If you let's actually close this menu. Maybe let's get it in the way. Okay. Okay, we're doing good. We actually got to hard at one point. We actually got to hard at one point. I'm not even joking. And we beat it. We beat it. Alright, it's gonna go to normal now. It's gonna go normal. Okay. Of course, I drown in the water. Of course. No, we drown. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Me tried to see how many levels I can pass without failing, like I did multiple times in this video. Hope you enjoyed watching me fail. Make sure you subscribe, leave a like, turn on post notifications so you never miss a video. With that big shit, I'll see you guys later. Peace out, goodbye.